Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story that I'm about to bring you, this piece, this narrative, it captures in its entirety the Nigerian situation. So I'm not sure if this guy is saying this thing in humor, but even if he is saying it in humor, they are true words spoken in jest. So now with that guys, I bring you this. Stop talking before they come for you. Shehu Sani warns Sultan of Sokoto. So that's the headline that we're contending with in this video. Stop talking before they come for you. Shehu Sani warns the Sultan of Sokoto. So now let's see what the former senator has to say to the northern monarch. Shehu Sani, former Kaduna Central senator, has reacted to the comment by the Sultan of Sokoto, Saud Abubakar, that hunger was more deadlier than coronavirus. Sani urged the Sultan to stop talking about hunger in Nigeria to avoid being attacked. Recall that the Sultan had earlier stated that poverty and hunger was killing Nigerians more than the deadly coronavirus. Abubakar had stressed that what a lot of Nigerians are facing in terms of hunger and other challenges was much more deadlier than coronavirus. The monarch stated this on Thursday at the first quarterly meeting of Nigeria's Inter-Religious Council (NIREC) in Abuja. However, Sani, who took to his Facebook page, urged the Sultan to stop criticizing the government. Sani's comment, which he wrote in Pidgin and was translated in English language, reads, "Please, Your Highness Sultan, stop talking about hunger in Nigeria so they don't come for you, so they won't say you are the contortionist or what do they call it, as they return home in anger and make sure you just chill." Meanwhile, former Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi, who is known for criticizing northern state government over poverty rate in the region, was on Monday dethroned by the Kano state, and by Kano state, of course, you can read Malam Buhari, but by the Kano state government. So this is now this guy, of course, sounding a note of caution to the Sultan of Sokoto to say, pardon me, stop talking about hunger in the land, though, because if you say hunger in the land, because these people are so incompetent and they know that their incompetence is seen by everyone, so they're jittery and panicked. They know that they're illegitimate, of course, because they know that they rigged themselves into power, so they're jittery and panicked. They know that the supposed president of the country, Malam Buhari, is not fit for purpose and is not even qualified under the constitution, which sets a minimum bar for whoever occupies the position of president. So they are panicked. So these people are panicked people, they are jittery people, and anything at all that seeks to highlight their incompetence, which is copious and plentiful, is just weighed down upon with the fullest of the brutality of the force that is at their disposal. And if you don't believe me, please go and speak to Agba Jalingo. He will tell you, because he queried governor to say, why has this 500 million naira gone missing, and that guy spent almost a year in jail. Showore called for good governance in Nigeria, and of course I don't have to tell you what happened subsequently. Shehu Sani himself, the man making this comment, called for good governance in Nigeria, and I don't have to tell you what happened. Saraki, a criminal himself, was saying this level of criminality that is going on in this country is now too much. You don't have to take my word for it. You all know what happened to Saraki. This Emir of Kano, of course, is the latest of a long list now of people. So what these people tend to do is, as soon as you highlight their incompetence and to say that, look, we cannot sustain this level of lack of competence and direction in this country, as soon as anybody of any note says that, they will immediately send Yusuf Bichi. After Yusuf Bichi, of course, is the head of the DSS, they will immediately send Yusuf Bichi after you to traumatize your life to the point that you are completely broken. So because of course Buhari is a jittery man, is a deeply insecure man, is a vindictive man, and of course I don't have to even tell you, is a very vengeful man. So this is now what is going on, and these are the things that Shehu Sani is now highlighting to the Sultan of Sokoto to say, pardon me, calm yourself down, let's just weather this storm until we're able to figure out how to get out of this situation. But the situation that we're in at the moment, these people, they brook no criticism, they brook no pointing in the direction of goodness. What they want to do, and all they want to do, is their will, and woe betide you if you speak against what they are doing, even though it is patently wrong and the country is suffering. And he cited several examples as examples of people that have tried to caution this particular regime and have paid the price. Conversations in the comment section. Shehu Sani wants the Sultan of Sokoto, but then of course we all know what is going on within the Nigerian space. Come tell me what your thoughts are about this comment that Shehu Sani has made in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are viewing as the rescue plan for Nigeria to escape the clutches of the Janjaweeds and the Fulanization agenda that has now taken a stranglehold of that country. So thoughts in the comment section. So I leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.